my name is Ashley.
Hi, my name is Brandon.
And today we're going to make mini Rice Krispie Pies. What you need is
Rice Krispies,
food coloring, butter, marshmallows, and a muffin tin.
the most important.
On the back of the Rice Krispie box is a recipe of how to make Rice Krispies.
And we're going to make 2 batches.
The first batch is for the crust. The second batch is for the filling. So let's get started. The recipe says 3 tablespoons butter, 1 package of marshmallows, and 6 cups of Rice Krispies. But we use 4 tablespoons of butter because we like it extra gooey. It's a good idea to grease your muffin tins first.
Put the butter and the marshmallows in the saucepan on low heat until it melts.
Once it looks like this, add 6 cups of Rice Krispies.
And stir it really well.
Right now, I'm stirring together the Rice Krispies and the marshmallows because it makes the whole thing gooey and it makes all the Rice Krispies stick together. So now, after I've stirred it all together, and maybe we let it cool for like a minute, then we can put it in the muffin tins. But probably before we do,
Let's get greasy!
You want to put the butter on your hands because Rice Krispies can really stick to your fingers.
Ready?
So just take a big glop of butter and wash your hands.
I'm washing my hands butter.
And
Butter
also
soap
it falls
now.
on your feet now. It's still really hot, so we might want to wait a minute.
We're back after our butter issues. Ooh, stringy. Ooh.
We got our crusts for our pies, but now we have to do the whole process over again. But
This time we're gonna add the food coloring. So let's go!
what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little bit, roll it into like a ball shape, and then you're gonna put the ball in one, and then you're gonna
squeeze
kind of push it down to make it spread. And then you're gonna do the same with all the others. And you'll probably have extra. So just bring the bowl to your children and they'll clean it for you. Yeah.
Take it, roll it almost into like a ball, but one part have it be a bit flat, and then put it in a cup, and then just push it.
Something that's good about these things that you don't get in a normal pie is you don't have to use the oven. So it's easy for children to make. Well, Brandon, that's all of the pies done. Guess we're gonna have to take this one into our room, not to eat anything. We finished our pies. We added a little bit of whipped cream and some cinnamon, but don't they look delicious?
These are gonna be great for our Thanksgiving dinner.
Well, thanks for watching our video. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.
Cheers.
What you need is
Butter, Rice Krispies,
we need to retake that.